transfers are designed for colored fabric that is 100% cotton or a polycotton blend. When used properly, they are guaranteed to be fade-resistant for up to 20 washes. Let's walk through how to iron and care for Avery Dark fabric transfers. Once you've printed using an inkjet printer and trimmed your design, you're ready to iron it onto your fabric. Avery Dark transfers are applied with the heat like a label on top of your fabric, so they do not need to be flipped or reverse printed. When applying your design using an iron, make sure that your iron has no water in it and that the steam setting is turned off. Then change the temperature to a high cotton setting and give it time to heat up. Use a large heat-resistant stable surface such as a wooden table when you iron on the transfer. We do not recommend using an ironing board, glass table, or concrete surface since they may not have the right heat resistance. We do recommend placing a towel on your ironing surface before laying your shirt on top of it. Make sure to smooth out any wrinkles on your fabric. When you are ready to iron, peel the backing off the dark fabric transfer. There are slits in the backing paper that will help with this. Place your transfer face up on the fabric. Cover with the tissue paper that's included in the package, as this keeps the design from getting onto your iron and makes ironing smoother. If you're ironing a full sheet transfer, use 2 sheets of tissue paper to fully cover the transfer. Once your transfer paper is in the correct position, iron on the transfer. It's important to use heavy pressure when ironing. This will prevent the transfer from cracking or peeling and ensures the image transfers securely onto the fabric. The amount of time you iron depends on the size of your transfer sheet. If you use a full sheet, iron in a continuous movement up and down and side to side for 2 minutes. If you use a half sheet, iron on for 1 minute. If you use a quarter sheet, iron on for 40 seconds. After you finish ironing the transfer, let the fabric cool for 2 minutes. Carefully and slowly remove the tissue paper from the transfer. If the transfer begins to lift from the shirt, there's no need to worry. Just re-iron any areas that are lifting, but make sure to keep the tissue paper in place. When it comes to washing and drying your garment, we have some additional tips to help extend the life of your dark fabric transfer. First, you'll want to wait 24 hours after applying your transfer before washing. You should also turn the item inside out and wash in cold water with a mild detergent. Do not use fabric softener while washing, as this may cause the transfer to fade, crack, or peel. To dry, we recommend laying the item flat for best results, or drying with the low heat setting. If you have additional questions, visit avery.com/help to check out more videos and see other information about fabric transfers, or to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.
For double-sided printing, or if you are printing different kinds of projects, use a 24-pound paper from our Paper for Multi line to reduce show-through from one side to the other. A Paper for Multi has the orange paper frame. Taking a little extra time to choose the right paper for the job can give you great results. Results that other people will really notice.
Avery Light fabric transfers are a fun way to customize light-colored t-shirts and other items. These iron-on transfers are designed for white or light-colored 100% cotton or polycotton blend fabrics. When used properly, they are guaranteed to be fade-resistant for up to 20 washes. Let's walk through how to design, print, and trim Avery Light fabric transfers. When getting ready to design your fabric transfer, please reference the Avery product number on the front of your package in order to ensure that the transfer prints properly. Start designing with Avery Design and Print software at avery.com/templates using your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. Type in the Avery product number and click Start Designing. There are pre-designed templates that you can customize with your own text and images, or you can choose a blank template to upload your own design or to create a design from scratch. There are options on the left for adding or changing design elements in your project, such as text and images. Please note that any white areas in your design will be clear when you apply the transfer. When you're happy with your design, click Preview and Print. When you choose Get PDF to print, you can save your design to a free Avery account so you can come back to it later. Next, you'll see important printing instructions for your browser. Be sure to follow them carefully for the best print results. When the PDF is created, our Avery Design and Print software will automatically flip your design for printing Avery Light fabric transfers. Since they are applied face down, a mirror image is needed. You can print using an InkJet printer. Trim around your design using scissors, a hobby knife, or a die cutting machine. Now you're ready to apply your design. Watch our ironing and care instructions video to see how. Follow the ironing instructions carefully for the best results. If you have additional questions, contact our care team or visit avery.com/help. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.